नमस्कार साथीहरु, म तपाईहरुकै आफ्नै साथी अमन केसी। आज चाहिँ म तपाईहरु सामु स्यामसङको SMG 730 FDS यो मोबाइल चाहिँ अथवा J7 Pro स्यामसङको J7 Pro मोबाइल चाहिँ कसरी डिसेम्बली गर्ने भन्ने कुरा देखाउन गइरहेको छु। कृपया मेरो भिडियोलाई पुरै हेरिकन तपाईहरुले मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। मेरो च्यानलको नाम छ अनिस मोबाइल केयर। ल साथीहरु, अब यो मोबाइल डिसेम्बली गर्न गइरहेको छु। यसको डिस्प्ले प्रब्लम छ, डिस्प्ले फुटेको छ अथवा भित्रैबाट ब्ल्याङ्क आउँछ। तपाईहरुलाई देखाउन सक्दिन म, यो डिस्प्ले नै खराब छ। त्यही पनि यो डिस्प्लेलाई नफुटाइकन कसरी खोल्न सकिन्छ अथवा कसरी डिसेम्बली गर्न सकिन्छ भन्ने कुरो देखाउन गइरहेको छु। र साथीहरु, म आउँदो दिनहरुमा चाहिँ भिडियोलाई इंग्लिशबाट बनाउने छु, किनकि नेपालीबाट तपाईहरुले धेरै कम मात्रामा बुझ्ने हुनुभयो। त्यसकारणले गर्दाखेरि now see this, all LCD have been black, just like this LCD also have been damaged. So I'm going to show you how to disassemble this mobile, Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. So at first time you have to give some heat from your SMD, or just like you can say the SMD or hot gun. You have to give 360-degree heat on your mobile. You can measure from temperature machine, but I have no temperature machine, so I have been given just like thinking and checking some from my hand. You have to feel some heat from here. You can also do like this. So guys, you must give many more temperature, just like 360-degree, and you can measure 150 centigrade, just like something. Now it's time to remove this LCD. You have to take like this X-ray paper. So first time you have to put like this and press up and down like this. Here you have to open this. So I'm gonna use blade is very smooth. It can go very easily inside. This LCD have been broken, but sometimes you must change the charging connector also, so you have to save the LCD. So I'm gonna show you how to save the LCD in disassembling time. So it must be somewhat long video, but we have to see this first to last step. this have no more temperature. So I'm gonna recap this temperature. I'm giving now 370 degrees centigrade. It is my first video in English. If I have been used any mistake words, I'm so sorry about this, because I cannot speak in English easily, because my mother language is Nepali. So you have to know this. You have to give heat just like round and round, round and round. You cannot give many more time in one side, because the LCD must be damaged. So you have to save this, and here it is round side, it have been gum, just like just like just like this. You have to press like this, and slowly you have to press, go outside, and you have to press like this. You have to be very carefully, like this, slowly. This phone display have been cracked, so it is not scary for me, but sometimes you have to save the LCD, because the LCD have not been damaged. So you have to save this. This is broken LCD, so I'm gonna change the LCD first. So guys, please like my video and share, and subscribe my channel for help myself. And I'm gonna grow up many more video. I'm going to making many more video about any mobile phones, but you have to subscribe me and press the bell icon. Next time I will make many more video in English. This is my first video in English speech, and my English speech is not much good. So I'm so sorry about this. I am learning to speak in English. So we have to remove this lock. Now it's have been removed, so this LCD also have been removed. So guys, like my video and share and subscribe. Now I'm gonna show you how to disassemble this mobile phone. Now LCD have been removed. This is the screw. Now I'm gonna pause the video because it's have been so many long. Alright, the screw all have been removed from the mobile phone's board, so I'm gonna show you. At first you have to remove the SIM trays. So now I am removing the SIM trays. So now you can open like this. This frame will be removed slowly, and here it is, the back panel. So this is the batteries. Sorry, no batteries, this is only battery. So this is the motherboard. You can remove from here the screw, and then this one screw you have to remove and plug out. It is very simple. I'm gonna show you many more mobile phone have been just like this. You have to save first LCD, then open this back panel and open this PCB. You have to open like this one, and open the camera, this one front camera, back camera, and then open this one, plug out. It is very simple. So friends, like my video, share and subscribe. Thank you.